Oh my God, look at this ostrich. This is crazy. What's up? What's up, big guy? What's up? Hello. We got more. Where is it down there? This is sick. Look at the mountains in the distance. This is so cool. We're just in a little stop in the most random part of South Africa on the route Durban, going to Durban from Johannesburg. Look at the plateau in the distance. There were gazelles, or I don't think there were gazelles, antelopes on the way here. Oh, yo, wait, they're over here. I'll see if I'm allowed to walk down there. I'm gonna walk down there, see some turkeys. This is crazy. The drive in rural South Africa is crazy. I mean, this is a rest stop around here, so it's developed, but it's just fields of nothingness. We got chickens, and then you will see like a herd of 150 cows just all lined up, and then we saw wild ostriches. These animals all over here aren't wild, but what is this? We got big turkeys. We got massive turkeys right here. Up, that one's eyes are closed. These guys are big. These are like the Thanksgiving American sized turkeys. I don't know how we go over there where they are with the antelope. Let's continue going out here. So this ride from Johannesburg to Durban is about 6.5 hours, but we're splitting it up. We're stopping in the mountains for a little bit. It will be one night. Oh my God, look at the baby chickens. Where is it? Where are the baby chickens? Right there. You see the baby chickens? There are the baby chickens. So yeah, I'm stopping in the mountains, which will be really cool. I got to South Africa just a few days ago. A little time in Johannesburg. Johannesburg is interesting with the apartheid history, but beyond that, I mean, there's nothing much to do. Unfortunately, it has a lot of problems within the inner city, but the wealthy areas are crazy rich. Here the Gini coefficient, which measures wealth disparity, is the highest in the world. Yeah, South Africa has the highest wealth disparity in the world because you have the super wealth, and then you have the townships, which even still today, so many of them are just like shacks. Even when I went into Soweto, it is, as I'm talking, as here, we're walking around, you see there's the plateaus. Oh my God, these are ducks. Even in Soweto, you have some homes that are like made out of shacks, and then all of a sudden you have oh my God, there's zebras. Here are the goats. And then you have homes that have like their private security in Soweto. Look at the goats. The goats are right here. This is so cool. I hope the wind is very windy out. I'm sure the camera's picking it out. There's the goats. Here's the ducks. Here are the ducks. Ducks can be very feisty. I don't know how in the world I might be able to get to the antelopes and to the zebras. Let's try this. Durban is going to give such a different vibe. I'm going to zoom in right now. See, maybe you can see it. The wind is blowing really hard. The wind is blowing really hard. Durban is a much more coastal town. And it's actually a big city. 3 million people. I know, I'm just kind of like talking off the top of my head right now. I slept a little bit on this ride. We still got about 2 hours to go in the mountains. Oh, here's the zebra. Here's the zebra. Here's the zebra. Let's run to the zebra. Okay. I know you guys can't see it right now. The camera's shaky as I'm running. Oh my God. There's the zebra. Right. Ow. I just got shocked with electricity on this thing. Oh, now I know I need to stay away from the metals in Africa. Where is it? Zebra! Zebra, zebra, zebra! And then over here we got deer. These are all, none of these are free over there. antelope. None of these are free. They're all, you know, in this fencement area, and I think the reason for that, it's private property and they want you to come to the shopping center, so these aren't actually wild animals. This is commercialized parts, which even game parks in South Africa and a lot of Africa, there's a lot of problems that they're actually private parks. But anyway, it's still cool. I will be going to a few game parks during my time here, so yeah, that's really it. This is a crazy spot to be. I know, again, I was talking off the top of my head. This is more for my own memory. Right.
So it gives white with black stripes.
Yeah, I'm thinking white with black stripes.
Sam does not like that.
Why not?
I don't know.
I shouldn't be getting this close to this thing. Not at all.
Dude, I like this shit.
Let's walk to the zebra now.
I'm on no shit.
No, I'm set. You should go try pet it.
Okay.
These don't look like South African dogs.